Now that I have a lot of extra time on my hands, I decided maybe I needed a solar-powered battery pack for my phone. I found the Feele 24,000 milliamp hour battery pack on Amazon for $39, so I bought it. Thanks for checking out this video. My name is Jerry and this is my new channel where I will show you the things that I buy and what I like about them. If you like what I'm doing, please help be one of my first 50 subscribers and hit the button below. Okay, so we are all aware of the current state of affairs in the world today, and no one is completely sure what is coming next. First, we run out of toilet paper, then for some reason the power goes out. I'm not really sure how that correlates, but it seems accurate. So with the power out, we all need to be able to charge our phones, and the Feele solar charger may be an option. This charger comes with a 24,000 milliamp hour battery, a built-in flashlight, 2 USB-A ports for charging devices, a micro USB port for charging the battery, and a trio of panels for solar charging. Clocking in at 1.2 pounds, a snap keeps the 3 faux leather-backed panels folded together, and this thing feels like a brick. On the side is 4 blue lights that show a battery level and a green light that shows when the battery is charging via solar. On the bottom we have the USB ports underneath a dust and splash guard, and on the back the power button and flashlight. Pressing the power button once will show you the current charge level, and holding it will enable the flashlight. The flashlight can switch between 3 different light modes. To start charging via solar power, just unfold the panels and direct them towards the sun. The seller claims that the charger is IPX65 rated, so you should be able to have plenty of placement options to get the most direct sunlight. The charge rate for devices is 5 volts at up to 2.1 amps, and this charged my iPhone from about 8% to almost full in 2 hours. And it charged my iPad from under 50% to full in about 3 hours. Feele claims that this battery can charge most phones 10 to 12 times with the 24,000 milliamp hour battery, and that sounds pretty good, even if the numbers end up being around 8. With the solar charge rate I saw, that probably means that if you charge 2 phones once per day and get a few hours of direct sunlight at least 5 days per week, you should be able to keep your devices working for a long time in the event society completely collapses. So, it looks like this solar-powered battery pack from Feele seems like it does what it claims. I have verified that the battery charges on solar and that I can indeed charge my devices. Will this be able to support you for a period of time with no power? Well, I hope we don't have to find out, but I think so. Thanks for watching my new video. If you have questions or comments about the Feele solar-powered battery, or have other suggestions about devices I should try, drop them in the comments below. If you like what I'm doing, consider hitting the subscribe button to the right. Hit the bell below for notifications, hit thumbs up if you like the video, and I'll see you next time.